Here in the monthly time frame, you can clearly see the uptrend and then where we had a trend change as price started making lower highs and lower lows. So the big picture is bearish. Here in the weekly time frame, we have the same thing, lower highs and lower lows forming, which is again bearish. So here in the daily, we had a lower high form, which is the first signal that this current uptrend here is starting to change. And this was all confirmed through the break of trend line and break of support. So if you are a breakout trader, you could enter right at the break of trend line and resistance with a stop loss above resistance. The best entry occurred through the pullback on the 4-hour time frame. So here in the 4-hour time frame, we had a decent rejection of resistance and the 50 EMA. But how do we confirm that this pullback is over? What we did was we used the 15-minute time frame. Here in the 15-minute time frame, the confirmation came through the break of the trend line and the break of the 50 EMA. But what is even better is the bearish momentum candle. So you enter on this candle with a stop loss above the highest point. And you can go for a quick 1-for-1. Or since this was such a high quality trade, where all time frames are confluent, you can move your stop loss to break even after the 1-to-1 is achieved. So let's jump to the Swiss yen. So here on the weekly time frame, we had multiple long wick candles rejecting resistance and the 50 EMA, which gives us a bearish bias. Here in the daily, we had a double top followed by a break of support and the trend line, which is another bearish signal. So here is another tip and something we use from time to time, which is the 12-hour time frame, as it represents half a day. Here in the 12-hour time frame, we had picture perfect price action. We had the break of support and the trend line. And during this pullback, we had shrinking candles, which shows momentum loss. And then a picture perfect long wick candle, rejecting resistance and the 14 EMA crossing the 50 EMA. This could have been an entry right here on this candle on the 12-hour time frame. Now let's jump to the 4-hour time frame for a more traditional entry. We had a pullback and then a great rejection of the 50 EMA and resistance. But to confirm that this pullback is over, we again use the 15-minute time frame for confirmation of the immediate trend. Here on the 15-minute time frame, we had a break of trend line and a break of the 50 EMA, and we enter right on this candle here with a stop loss above the highest point. This trade also had additional entries, as you can see how the candles are respecting the 50 EMA with multiple rejections.